How can we keep our connections from suffering harm? Even the most devoted couples may encounter minor obstacles every day that erode away at the sincerity of their bond. These obstacles include disappointments, frustrations, and irritations. To reduce the chance of this happening, couples should schedule time each week to ask themselves 2 questions that are ostensibly easy but are actually very important and useful. Why are you so upset with me? And secondly, how have I recently frightened you? Without realizing it, we frequently irritate our spouses by falling short of their expectations. It is crucial that the newly developed rage can be expressed and heard. In response to the first query, we can state that we are mad at our partner's friends for being so uninteresting, for not having a better career, for leaving the kitchen messy, or for worrying so much about their mother. They may also become upset with us because we are very anxious, easily irritated, strict with our manners, and quick to criticize others. We don't have to act angry as we express our anger. There may be a calm or even playful atmosphere. We don't require answers of a mystical nature or solutions. What matters is that we get an opportunity to let go of our disappointments in an accepting and contrite environment. The second question is about how fear can quietly stifle love. We should therefore inquire, how have I recently frightened you? We frequently scare each other by being unreasonable, disorganized, and unreliable. The trust that someone has chosen to place in us, the small, vulnerable form of ourselves, is eroded by fear. We all have a tiny child inside of us that is searching for a safe mother or father and who perhaps secretly recoiled when our spouses became argumentative with us or failed to be home on time. Once more, what counts is that we listen to a lover out politely when they tell us softly that we have offended them rather than that we never raise an uproar. We need to stop depriving our relationships of the regular care we readily give to a boiler or outboard motor. As long as we can periodically muster the bravery to admit how much we might have scared and antagonized individuals we are devoted to loving, we won't have to fear the unexplained end of partnerships.